Hey guys, quick video about a small thing which I run into it today, about this small guy which looked like a valve. It's a one-way valve for a Hendrickson suspension on a main supply line on for the airbags, and also the sliding gear on a 53-footer trailer. This guy, it has a spring inside, was locked pretty much. This was the seat is going like this, and the spring, which is this guy, I mean, it's full of rust, but still working properly. Was a lot of rust built in. Then what I want to do a electrolysis cleanup. We have the power source, some baking soda, and a container with some sacrifices metal for the positive, and the negative I'll use the part for it. Hopefully, let's see how this thing gonna work. I will shut down the power just to get it done properly. This part is aluminum, and I'm just gonna clean it up with some something else, not this electrolysis, but I'm curious how this thing gonna work out. Anyway, let's do like this and like this. This it, put it inside the water, the whole thing inside. Okay, plus minus. Let's get some baking soda. And turn on the power. And let's see what's going on. We have 0.25 amps, 12 volts. This power supply will give me maximum like 5 amps. And as you can see, it start working already. I'm not trying to be cheap, but this part, it is hard to find. No dealers close by, then probably I have to order it online, and that's why I took the chance, like, to took it apart and to see what's going on. It has an O-ring on top of it, and this thing can screw it like this, and this thing is gonna screw right on the tank underneath the trailer, the tandem. And there's the supply for the airbags, for the suspension, sliding mechanism, and the inflation system. Interesting. Anyway, it started working right away. It's a slight movement on the amps from 24 to 27, and hopefully in a couple of hours, who knows, I'll get some positive results. Thank you.